decision is yours. We can present you something, but you can decide what you do with this information. Together we make history. Together we can do a lot of things. We can do many things. This opportunity is for everybody. Share with your people, share with your friends. If you are now for the first time, don't lose your time. You need a few minutes. Make an account and choose your packages and start right away with us, because this project will be amazing project for a lot of people, not just for you, not just for me. It's for a lot of people outside who need the information. If we have some testimonials now, Michael, I don't know if you have some testimonials about the project and about the One Life partners.
Well, it's great that you bring up testimonials, actually, because it'll lead into our next event. And right now, I'd just like to welcome everybody that is joining us on Facebook Live. So welcome to the GMW webinar. And thank you, Christy, for that great presentation of our One Life opportunity. And yes, there are many testimonials. I want to say in testimonials wise about the weekend, because it was an amazing event. We created history. Every country that was a part of it, every merchant that was a part of it, every customer, we created history. And I just want to bring some of those testimonials to you, just to lead us into the next presentation. And if I, excuse me again, if I look away across to the other screen I have here, and just want to bring up some testimonials. This is exciting and a great job promoting DealShaker. Thanks to all the organizers, participants, and for the emotions, because it wasn't just an event about buying and selling. It was really emotional as well. It was exciting. It was amazing. And that was from Shoplan from Uzbekistan. Down here, thank you to all the leaders who worked tirelessly having Global Expo. We learned a lot, and I'm sure we're going to be more successful next time. And see, tip there, next time. That was from Ibrahim from Turkey. We've got from Brazil. All congratulations. We started with new history together in this company, and sure we'll grow much more together and become invincible. That's from Enio in Brazil. Thank you very much. Thanks for this global online DealShaker Expo. We are walking together. Let the whole world recognize us as accept us. Thank you for your hard work and your hard work. Many thanks. That's from Ann Tan of Malaysia. Thank you very much. I tell you, there are just so many to go through with just how it made people feel. It was a really exciting event, and I wonder, people, if you're out there, you've brought new people along to this webinar this evening, or this morning, or this afternoon, wherever you are, and also our Facebook Live viewers, and hello to everybody else that is tuning in through other Zoom calls or Facebook Live calls. Welcome, because you're about to find out how to be a part of this excitement, how to become an actual merchant, how to get yourself into this space and really start to learn about what is going on. So I'd like to stay with our Blue Diamond in Romania, because he literally has the world on fire at the moment in Romania. He would single-handedly have an economy all himself in Romania with the DealShaker. He's a absolute expert at the DealShaker, and I'm very proud to introduce him again, Christy Kalina. For those on Facebook, our Blue Diamond, Christy Kalina, to bring us the DealShaker presentation opportunity. Christy.
Yes, I'm here, Michael. Just 1 minute, please, to fix it here.
Not a problem. We will, as I said, welcome to our Facebook Live viewers and our webinar, Global Mentorship Webinars viewers around the world, while Christy just gets us himself organized to bring us this exclusive and exciting opportunity. I just wanted to remind you that, you know, the blockchain packages is really what you need to get. It's the next level of education, if you like, and it's really on trend at the moment, because this is where the world is going. If you've been reading, you know, a lot of literature that is going around at the moment, different countries are setting themselves up for the usability of blockchain. Now, it is the next level of internet, if you want to put it that way. And we really are starting to move into a different era. And to put yourself at the front of the queue, I like to say, well, the only way that you're going to do that is have the knowledge to understand what is going to be happening in the world to come. You know, we can control the present, but we can't control the future. We can prepare for the future, and the way to prepare for the future is through One Academy, and that will give you the knowledge to prepare yourself, you and your family and your friends, to help you adjust and keep up with today's technology and the future of technology as well. So are we ready to go, Christy, there?
Ready.
Anytime you're ready, sir, take it away. So Christy Kalina with a Deal Shaker presentation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Very interesting. You can see my screen, yes?
Yes, beautiful.
Okay. It's very interesting. If at the beginning we're starting to create this ecosystem with One Life members, because we need in the beginning the clients, the people who need the cryptocurrency, and we speak about this, what is happening in the future. When I saw the Deal Shaker platform, I say, hey, this is amazing. Why? Because in my background, I'm a businessman. And when I saw Deal Shaker, I understand that you can use your money, your digital money, your cryptocurrency to buy product and services. I love to shop, and I shop more than 30,000 products from Deal Shaker when you speak about this, and from 60 countries or something like this, 160 different products. And for me, it's amazing because I can use my money, my cryptocurrency to buy products and services. And I will show you about this because it's very important to understand that we can use our cryptocurrency on Deal Shaker. What is the Deal Shaker? It's an online offer market, and it's another services you can make publicity for your business, for your product in this platform, and you have a customer base here. It's very important for one businessman to understand that here is the place where the clients are and are ready to buy. The platform enable promotion of business to customer, customer to customer, offer in a form of combination of cash in euro or another national currency you have in your country, and the new crypto asset OneCoin. It's very important to mix these payments, to make hybrid payments. All the merchants can use it and accepting 100% in OneCoin. Depends of the merchants. Okay, the group are based on geographic area and is normal like this category and type of deals. You'll find many interesting things and products in Deal Shaker. Yeah, I can tell you from my experience to spend some time daily in Deal Shaker, because every day you find very good products. So you need to stay on this platform. You need to spend some time to use your cryptocurrency because it's working and it's worth. Virtual shopping facilitating the sales. This is very important because product and services in one global community of millions of family belonging to the One Life community. We are networking in almost 4 million members. So you must understand that if you have something to put on this platform to selling, you have already the clients, and the clients are ready to buy from you if your product is interesting and you're accepting one part in one. So take consideration about this platform, because in the next years will be very interesting. Buy now, it's easier. Yes, it's very easy. You can buy from your house. You don't need to go to the shop. You can stay home. You can buy from your house. You can buy from your work. Maybe you're working every day. Maybe you don't have so much time to make shopping in a physical shop. shops. So you have the best way to make shopping in this platform from anywhere in the world. We are present in 194 countries. We are not just in 1, 2, 3 countries. We have partners worldwide. We have merchants worldwide, so you can find your products in your continent, in your country, or maybe in another continent, another country. You can buy from everywhere, from any device. This is very important because you can connecting in your tablet, laptop, in your computer, or you can make the payments from your phone. It's very easy, very friendly to make the payments. We are the first platform e-commerce who using the payments with the cryptocurrency, and I'm very proud of this because in my beginning and in my belief, the cryptocurrency must be using for buy products and services, not just for changing in another money that we're using in the beginning. So if you have a cryptocurrency, it's very important to use it in one platform to buy products and services that you need for you, for your family, for your kids. You're something that you need and you buy every day. We're starting building also community deal shaker in Romania, and we're starting from the basement. What is happening? We're starting with the fruits, with the gems, with something easy, with the we don't starting with the real estate. We don't starting with Lamborghini, with Ferrari. We're starting with the food, with the drinks for the people. We're starting with the things that the people buying every day. So we're starting and building this community in Romania. Now almost 5,000 merchants are accepting our cryptocurrency, but we're starting from the beginning for the basic products that the people need. So after this, we go up, up, up. We are a platform and with accelerate and grow. Why? Because the people understand much easy now, and the merchants say in this period, in the pandemic period, the merchants say, hey, I have something to sell. And now in 2020 is a fantastic good moment for our platform, because the merchants come to us and say, hey, I have these watches, I have this food, drinks, I have delivery food, I have many products I can sell in your platform. Okay, let's speak about this. We speak and we consult the merchants and we give the best solution how to selling in this platform, because the merchants understand now in 2020 what we're doing in the last 3.5 years, watching us. Some of them put some deals, some of them just watching us, and now say, hey, it's interesting your community, it's interesting your platform, and I want to be part of this. And here you can see the impact on the world. We are growing. We are a very nice community, but we still need more numbers to grow these numbers of partners and the merchants. So if you are not involved in this moment in our community, please join us. We give you the best solution how to have the maximum benefits from this, and we are ready to give you the best advice what we can have in the last years in this project. What products and services can you find on the platform? Very interesting. You can find in tourism many deals with accommodation, with food and drinks in many countries. In my opinion, in the next months, you'll see thousands of deals of tourism, place to fun, visit cultural places on our platform. We're building also the same in Romania. So if you want to use your coin, you are welcome to use it here. We building the momentum, and we're building many things because we have so many things to do and to put in place in Deal Shaker. But also we have the products, we have clothes, we have shoes, we have accessories, because you can put all your products, what you have, what you producing here, very easy. It's nothing to cannot put in Deal Shaker legal, just the legal products. So if you have something that you are proud and you produce and you want to make your brand most famous, then now you must put it here. You can put your restaurant, you can create some deal. We can put wine and products, regional products. Maybe you produce something in your country, you are very famous, your country is very famous for some products. Please put it here. make it more famous and create a brand, the worldwide brand for your country, for your region. It's very important for you to build and to put your products here, that the people worldwide to know about your country and region. Technology, you can put the telephony, you will find many things, sound, image, you can find here photo, video, deals, with all what we're using in our life every day. Services also, it's very easy to put services. You can put your courses, you can put your coaching, your personal services, maintenance, maybe you repair a computer or something like this, you can create some deals here. You can put it very easy. Maybe you have a business with health and beauty, with aesthetic, with hairdressing, with spa. It's welcome to put it here. Maybe you have a stomatology cabinet or something like this. You can put it here also, because the people need all these services. Okay, what are the benefits for you to be part of Dealshaker? It's very interesting. From my experience, I not meet in my life something like this, something revolutionary like this. Why? Because the cost of reduction, saving, operational cost are amazing here. Administrative cost for your marketing, for your products, it's amazing. You can put it here. You can put your deals, what you produce. You can find your clients. You decide, like merchant, how many coupons I put, how many deals I put from my products. If I produce this, I can decide this jacket, I can decide how many I put it here, how much I take it in new money, in this new money that I find now in this cryptocurrency that is named one. I decided how, when I deliver this jacket, and I put all this, and this is very important for me when I run a business, to have all the control on the cash flow, and to have the control when where I choose my clients, how many clients I want. I choose how much cash flow I take it, and I can take it from here. I choose when I deliver the product, and this for me is very important, this, because operational cost for me will be very reduced here, and it's very easy. I understand that when I put some deals here, that is a worldwide network and the clients are everywhere. It's a non-stop platform. I can sell all the time. I can just put my deals here, and the people buy. After buy my product or what I selling in this moment, contact me and tell me, hey, I buy this from you. You can deliver me in how much time? You can send me here, or you can tell me in how much time you can deliver the product. You can coordinate all your business. You have all the control. When you want to put something here, you can more than this. You can participate in international exhibition, online or offline. I remember we created in Romania the first expo worldwide with 115 merchants, and was a really great success in 2017. What the people was stunning, because in the beginning buying from online, just online, but don't see the product, don't see the merchant, don't interactive with the merchant. And this is very important for the people. When they buy something, the people want to see the merchant, want to feel it, want to buy, and something like that. And so we create the first exhibition, the first Fair Expo in 2002 for June 2017, and was a great success. Now we have exhibition online. This Saturday we just finished a fantastic, very good expo, global Dealshaker Global Expo online, with 10-11 hours of deals, of merchants, of country manager who present the deals, the countries. Was amazing. Was a marathon online, and many partners watching this event, and was wow. Many Romanians watching and say, hey, what is happening in Vietnam, what is happening in Pakistan, in other countries is spectacular. And all this, you can be part of this when you put your deals, because you are already inside. Advantage of selling and shop at Dealshaker: you can create your brand, You can create with the minimum investment in advertise. It's almost for free, in my opinion, because I know how much you pay when you want to make advertising for your brand in social media or in another network or physical marketing. When you want to do something like this, you have cost. And this is hundreds, thousands of euro monthly. Here you have almost nothing. You just need to put your products in this platform and you have the clients ready to buy, and this is amazing. Business open 24 hours. I just tell you that this is amazing. I don't need to open my shop to close my shop, because it's an online shop here and you have 24 hours access. The people can buy all the time. You can watching who buy, what is buying from you, and this is amazing for you, because this is very interesting to control your business. For you will be very nice to understand this without geographic limitation. Maybe you are in one country and never you send the products in another country because you don't have clients in another country. Here is different, because you can send your products in another country. You just need to decide this, but we have the clients and we have ready to buy things from you. In addition to any time, they can also buy from anywhere in the world. It's very easy. Cost reduction, we speak about this. Growth superior to the physical store. Yes, because physical store you have some cost weekly, monthly, and so on, so on. Now you can multiply your benefits here with the minimum cost. You just need to understand all the details, speak with the person who give you this information, and ask to give you the best advice how you can put your products here with a small expensive, very small, and with the big profit. This is what you want when you run a business. You can earn a lot with a little investment if you choose your market very nice. So it's very important to understand that we have here all what you need for your business, and it's very easy to be part of this. 5 reasons to sell and buy Dealshaker, because it's easy. For me, it's very easy. I buy very easy, and it's very easy to sell. Nothing complicated. You have more products here. Is secure. This is very important. We know all the time who is the seller, who is the buyer. This is very important. For me, like a businessman, this is very safe to be here, because I understand that if happening something on the way, I can have the control and somebody can help me. The company can help me. The country manager can help me to fix this issue. More benefits, because you can find the best promotion, more for you, because you can buy more products that you afford in the beginning. Payment method are mixed. You can find that the deals with 100% in OneCoin. You can have the deals mixed in local currency, national currency, and partial in OneCoin. This I name a hybrid payment. In my opinion, when you're selling something, starting from the 50-50, because it's much easy for you to understand the project and to have some cash flow. And also you have a new money that you're learning in the next days, weeks, how you using in this platform. But for the beginning, it's for me, it's very interesting to starting 50-50, and after this to grow. When I grow my ability and my knowledge in this platform. Merchants, what is need the merchants? This is very interesting, and I use this in all my trainings with my team. The merchant needs are the same worldwide. The merchant need visibility, need to have advertising, that the people know about your brand, because if you don't present this, nobody knows about you. So you need to be visible. You need to be notoriety. Why? Because your product is good, your product is very nice, so the people need to know who are you. Differentiate yourself from the competition. In all the businesses is very important. This why? Because I don't make the business to be me like the rest of them. No, I want to be better. I want to be different for the rest. I don't want to be like others, because I don't have advantage if I am the same like all. So it's very important to be different and differentiate yourself for the rest. And now in Dealshaker is very easy this, because you have something that your competition don't have it. You are present in the new selling channel. You are part of a new community. This is something for you new. You have new customer from here. You have your old customer who pay you in local currency, very good. You build your brand in the last years and you have fidel clients, very good. But you have another clients from here, and this is very interesting for you, because of course you wish more profit. Renew old merchandise. Yes, all the time you can renew the products, the deals, and you can put what is the best for you to run your business more interesting. Sales invoicing, the same, is very interesting. You have all your accounting in the back office, and you find all the time what you put in the selling, what is buying the clients, and how many coupons is you have the rest. To grow markets increasing, it's very important to understand that the e-commerce platform worldwide is growing. If you want to see how it's growing, check the numbers, because the numbers are very important. When you run a business, you need to know which is the market, your market. When you speak about the e-commerce, we speak about $1,400 billion in 2014. What is happening in 3 years later? You see the numbers, $2,400 billion in just 3 years. 1 year later, you see that $3,800 billion all turnover. This is amazing. The market is expected to reach 4,800 billions in 2022. This is amazing number. When you speak about the cryptocurrency, in 2014, creation of the first cryptocurrency who using in public, Bitcoin. So the total turnover in this market in 2017 was $15.3 billion. In 2018, $619 billion, and is growing. What is happening in the market when you speak about the cryptocurrency? In April 2020, the number of cryptocurrency worldwide are more than 5,300, and representing of value capitalization more than $200 billion. It's interesting what is happening in the market. What are the characteristics of the one cryptocurrency? Is very important. That is identifiable. This is very important that you know and you recognize this. You know which is this, and have the stable value. For me, this stable value is very important. Like a businessman, I don't want to take a big risk when I take the money or the value of my products or services that I selling in one cryptocurrency that is fluctuating, and today it's up, tomorrow it's down, another 3, 4, 5 days it's up, down, and so on. For me, it's not interesting like this. This is one of the reasons why the merchants don't like it too much, the first cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin, because up, down, up, down, up, down is not for the businessman. It's not trustful, and you cannot take so big risk when you speak about this. When we speak about identification and security, we are for sure one of the best for the world from the cryptocurrency, because we speak about know your customer. We implemented this in 2016, if I remember good, and was the first cryptocurrency in the world who haven't this. You know your customer, your client details like a bank. This is very important. Why? Because we don't want to hide something. We wish to be transparent, and for the beginning we have KYC approval, you know your customer details, so we know from the beginning who is the seller, who is the buyer, and this is very important. We can identify who make the payments of the coins. We have improving the system with anti-money laundering and anti-coins laundry also. So we don't wish to hide something. If you have something to hide and you wish to make a transaction and nobody see you, is not the place in DealShaker. You need to find another cryptocurrency to do this. But if you have something to hide, is not the best place here. We're wishing something different. So we go to the success, but we go in the very nice way. And this coin, OneCoin, is creating for be very easy accepting for the bank system, for the government and all, because we don't want to make in competition. We would just wish to help the national currency and to grow together. When we speak about cryptocurrency, the people in the beginning understand that you can use cryptocurrency to be anonymous, and nobody can control you, and nobody knows what you're doing. And this is not very good, not even for government, not for banking system, and not for the people, because the people, when understand this, try to make many bad things. Maybe you remember that 25% of Bitcoin was losing. This is cannot happening in OneCoin because it's total different, and we can identify all the time what is happening, and we can do the things properly, and we can help the people to recover their wealth. So it cannot happening here. This is very important, and I understand this from the beginning, and my trust in this project was very big, because I understand, wow, I'm so relaxed because I'm not so technical guy, and so if I make some mistake, I lose all my money and all my cryptocurrency. But when I find it that is like this, I was very relaxed, and I have more trust in this. So we have a big advantage when we speak about the cryptocurrency. Private market, we have a private market, yes, we have a private market, and we have a stable value. And this value is very important for us. The value is independent of public market because it's regulated by our ecosystem. This is very important. One capitalization today is big. I will not tell you, but you see the numbers. Maybe today is 10 more times than all the market, than all the market capitalization of the rest of cryptocurrency. And this is telling many things. It's a coin that is creating not for inflation, is not creating for speculation, is creating for increasing the value, and is creating for a lot of people, a big number of people, to using very easy in the big number of merchants, and to buy together goods and services from this platform, from these merchants, from DealShaker. A universal coin, because we are in almost 200 countries. You can buy with your coin in DealShaker very easy in another continent, no border. You can make transaction all right. And the questions we can ask us is, what to do with my one after receiving them? We have many solutions. After you receiving your OneCoin, what to do with this? It's very easy. You can capitalize it at a digital asset in increasing. You take a part of your product that you're selling, and you have you keep it. You keep it, that you understand that the value of OneCoin is increasing, and you're using when you have needs to use your asset. So this is very important. Some part of your profit you can take it in, and you can see it like this, like a digital asset in increasing. Use your wine is another option. You can use your wine now by our platform to buy another products and services, very easy. And you can do it this. Now many merchants start to make business to business. And for us, this is very important, because use our cryptocurrency to make payment when buy the products and services. Use your wine like human resources. This is another thing very important. You can give the salary bonus to your people, to your employees. You have already the coins, you have a value, you have this asset, and you can use it to give a bonus, to make a partial payment of salary, to make a DealShaker purchasing power more. This is very important. You can make the transaction on this platform with benefits. This is very important. You can stock, you can take your coins, so find it like, hey, I keep it here, no problem, and in the future I will use it. You can go in the shaker and you can spend it. You can go to the supplier to pay something to your suppliers. Maybe you produce, you have a bakery and you need to buy something. You go to the supplier and, hey, I will pay you partial like this. I have new clients who pay me like this, let me pay you like that. And the supplier will say, hey, okay, you can pay me partial payment in this new money. Yes, I'm interesting. You can trade in to buy materials. You can change your coins to buy something for your business. For sure, it's not you cannot pay all the things with your one in this moment, but you can do a lot of things. You can do a lot of things for you, for your business, with your coin, because it's like money. You just need to go in the shaker to find what you need and to buy, because you have already. We make our exchange here. We can exchange now the one coin with the goods and services, with the products and services. We can do it now. In the future we can change in the future we can change with another cryptocurrency, where the fiat coins. This is the next step. So you can have also this advantage. But for the beginning, it's very important for you to understand that you can sell something and you can take some coins now. When we speak about this project, we speak about first cryptocurrency globally. We speak about usability, expansion, usability, because you are in deal shaker and all the people seeing when you put on deal, you're running 5 days until somebody can buy your products and services. Is very important. Expansion, we speak about the world community. We have a community worldwide that will see your product, and if the product is good, and I'm sure that is good, your product, for sure somebody will buy. We speak about capitalization. You will be part of this community who have this old reserve 120 billion coins. This is a big numbers, very big in this market. What we're doing in this community, what is our goal? Our goal is to have 10 million of users in this community and 1 million merchants in 2 years. And we are creating this now. Day by day, the number of merchants, it's increasing. The numbers of partners, it's increasing. We're creating a lot of events special for this, for creating the new environment for the people. So we're just waiting you in Deal Shaker. Is the best place, in my opinion, for you to promote your business, to grow your brand, to promote your traditional products in your country, in your region. So come here, you are welcome, and you have the best team who can give you the best advisors for you and for your products. This is from my part. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Michael.
Yes, well, thank you so much, Christy. So much information to take in there. And if you want to be a part of the Deal Shaker, then obviously you needed to be a part of this webinar and this presentation. We will have beautiful presentations next week as well, with another couple of very, very special guests. But tonight we've had the luxury and the pleasure of listening to our Blue Diamond out of Romania and country manager, co-captain as well. So fantastic. Thank you so much, Christy, for your excellent presentation there. And we look forward to the Legend of the One event coming up, and I'm sure you're going to be super busy in the next couple of weeks to get all that organized. Thank you again.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Okay, let's just move on to Captain's Corner, everybody. And if you, you understand our captain, he's a very, emotional man in that regard. But at the same time, this is what comes through in Captain's Corner this week. I feel conflicted with so many emotions for various reasons. Allow me to share with you very quickly. I want to send a message to my brother, the Legend of the One's true legend, Mr. Konstantin Ignatov. The last summer he was free in 2018 here in Trinidad and Tobago. At the same time in July, we had just completed a major event, which was a huge success. Today, I heard some lyrics from a songwriter that touched my heart and made me think about my brother. So I thought that I would send this message to him to let him know that he is loved infinitely. I empathize with your pain in feeling as though you're buried alive. But what is most important, brother, is that you're still breathing. We do not know what tomorrow will bring, but I have a good feeling there is real meaning behind your existence and life. You're going to get that one more chance, which you deserve and need, rest assured, because you need to continue being that legend, my friend. I know friends may have passed on by throughout time, and many may have given up and given in. But I have that determination to win. Not only me, but the entire One Life community with the true people who care and would not give up or give in as other people would have gone in the past. Please note this, my brother, that personally, you are a motivation, and I will continue pushing forward regardless of the ditches and the shots fired at this company. Pressing on is a must. With that being said, I want to extend congratulations, but I felt the need to first share that message to Constantine because I know it was a dream of his to have an event like what we had the past weekend. Wow. The usability of one was seen and felt globally. As deep as New Zealand and the Pacific Islands to the Caribbean, Kazakhstan, South Africa, and Romania, just to name a few. It was really a successful event that Ecuador and South America can attest to as well. I send my love and my best regards your way and look forward to seeing you soon, my brother, as I know your family and loved ones would as well. Friends, I do not know if you all understand the profound message behind it, but I will get more in depth of the event's context in my next message. This message needed to be more about my friend and comrade in arms to let you know that we are all here for you. We will survive because we are still breathing. Even though we have been through all that could possibly all that could have possibly brought us down, we are still standing regardless of it all. Imagine how much more we will accomplish when our systems are fully set and ready to go. I'm excited beyond excitement for all of us. Congratulations to each and every country that participated and every country manager who ensured that participation was made possible. Further, the production team and everyone who had been promoting and advocating for the event since April 1st till now. I cannot wait for the next event. It's your humble servant wishing you one life for more life. King James, one's out. And with the Captain's Corner now done, and you can reread that in the newsletter, folks. So please, subscribe and get into the newsletter, and then really read into Captain's Corner and all the other fantastic news that comes out. And just as we go into Captain's Corner, look who should appear, our very own captain himself. I'd like to welcome to the mic and to the stage our Blue Diamond and our captain, King James from Trinidad and Tobago. How are you, sir?
I am quite intabulous, brother. All is well, all is well. Breathing. I want to wish everyone special greetings, a good day, good night, good whatever it is. Just let it be good. Think positive and attract positive results. That's who we are. That's what we're about. I want to remind you that this presentation on a Wednesday is designed for you to bring guests, first-time listeners of the opportunity ever. Whether it's a merchant, whether it's just a friend, bring individuals on this call so they can hear the story and they can see themselves positioned to get started. In order for us to be a success as we desire and we hope and we would B, we need more persons. We need to build the business. Building the business is very important to our success, my friends. And it is this business that was on display this weekend in a massive way that have me feeling so overwhelmed with a range of emotions, because you can feel it, see it, taste it. We have it. It's here for us. The opportunity is, but you have to grab hold and take it. You have to be willing to understand what the One Academy Learn and Earn message is all about. And more importantly, be willing to bring someone else into the knowledge and information. The blockchain courses that we have shouldn't be taken lightly or for granted. If you have not personally gone through the information yourself, please do so at once. Furthermore, get others involved. This is a necessary tool that's needed globally. So I want to encourage you, colleagues, with everything inside of me, position yourself strategically by helping others. Please, I do want to make a special announcement to clear up or to make note of the situation regarding the merchant that was advertising on the Italian deal shaker country manager through Marco Vessanelli. Unfortunately, the company has decided to remove all the deals from that particular merchant and have temporarily suspended Mr. Marco Vessanelli until pending outstanding transactions are settled with that merchant. We believe, and I believe, that these transactions will be settled. If you need more information, please contact Marco directly. But I believe they're working on a solution to settle and to fix the outstanding. We would all hope that this situation will be sorted out and fixed. Once the situation is fixed and sorted out, then you could possibly see the return of the deal. But time has passed. We need some closure on the matter. So we decided to make sure they don't have any more deals available to purchase until the existing members are settled. That is what's happening right now. So for me, it's all about the solution. It's unfortunate that this worked out the way it worked out. I know a lot has changed from what was said at the beginning to where we are now. Some things may be out of the control of the country manager or the merchant hand. I'm not exactly sure. What I do know, to avoid any harm, all deals have been removed. It's important to understand this. There's no attack on anyone. There's no mud, no sling, no dirt. We were just taking precaution to make sure that all those that's pending can be sorted out and receive their just due. So regarding that situation, that chapter is closed. Keep in mind, when I did speak on this concept of the card, I had always said that do so at your own risk and being able to risk that 100 euros. Don't put yourself in a problem with 100 euros if you cannot afford it. So I know those who took the chance and took the risk, like myself included, let's patiently wait to see how the situation unfolds. So I thank you all for allowing me to share that message. And I ask you for any questions that you may have, please contact Mr. Marco Bestinelli. He has no problem responding or speaking with you. I would hope he do 1 or 2 webinars, just as he did to promote, to also settle the situation. Moving on from that, on to the exciting news. You're going to have some information regarding the Bucharest event. Very soon, by next week, Wednesday, we should be given a full update on the entire event, the concept of and what is going to take place. We'll be giving you more information by next week, Wednesday, what is unfolding. Because we know in many countries, there's a second wave of the COVID situation, and many countries still are not allowed or allowing their people to leave, meaning the borders are closed. So we know there's quite a few situations like that. So some solutions and some concepts and some ideas are being discussed now. And by next week, Wednesday, we should have much more information. I also want to close off by saying once again, congratulations to every country manager that participated over the weekend to make the online Global Dealshaker Expo a massive success. 10 hours of a show to the world of the power of one. All sorts of different countries, all sorts of different languages, but yet there was one currency that was spoken about. And that one currency had use in over 50 different countries. Ask yourself, can your local currency do that? This is integration at the highest level, my friends. I feel so proud to be a part of the cryptocurrency that's integrating to the world and will become the world reserve cryptocurrency. But the way for us to accomplish that mission is for us to continue to help others, for us to continue to build the business. The more people you enlighten, the more people you bring into the system, the more we would have success. Numbers don't lie. We need more numbers because we have the truth. It's as simple as that. So I thank you all, friends. When Michael close, I will play the song that inspired me. I'll play the song. Of course, we'll take it off of Facebook. I'll play the song so you guys can hear the song as we're leaving. Thank you so much, Mike. Everyone do have a great day. One life for more life. One's out.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, King, for that vital information and for your support and your leadership. It's undoubtedly something that was very, very useful and needed in our network. I just want to do the same myself while I close, and then King will share this music. I'd like to thank, oops, if I just go there and do that while I'm talking. I'd like to thank all of our Facebook viewers. I'd like to thank everyone that came on tonight in the Global Mentorship webinar. Most of all, I would like to thank our presenter, our Blue Diamond, Christy Kalina from Romania, and the Legend of the One organizer. He's got a big task at hand, and that will no doubtedly go off with a bang. I'd like to thank everyone that made the Dealshaker Global online event possible again, and look forward to the next one. This was just a fantastic weekly event. If you have new people, you need to give them the link to join us here next Wednesday at the same time, 4 o'clock Sophia time, in your part of the world. Make sure that you invite 2 new people to have a look and a listen at what is on offer, and get yourself a part of this. And as you heard our King say, that it is a revolution. So this is definitely a must for Wednesday night. So I'd just like to say, before we close off, to our Facebook viewers, thank you very much for joining us. It's been a pleasure. I'm Michael Yeo for the Global Mentorship webinar. It's been a pleasure.